Hi everybody, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on probabilities for normal distributions with Desmos. Our problem says the weights of bags of mulch are normally distributed with a mean of 41.2 pounds and a standard deviation of 0.3 pounds. If you randomly select one bag of mulch, what's the probability that it weighs less than 41 pounds?
In Desmos, we'll start by adding normal dist. We have a mean of 41.2 and a standard deviation of 0.3. Let's click on Zoom Fit to get a look at the graph. Then let's click on Cumulative Probability. We want the probability that the bag weighs less than 41 pounds. Less than is to the left, so we'll hit left. Then we put 41 as our maximum and we get a value of 0.252. If you want more digits, click on the drop-down arrow.
Let's stick to our scenario of selecting a bag of mulch, but this time let's find the probability that it weighs more than 42 pounds.
Back in Desmos, we keep the same mean and standard deviation, but this time we want to know a value greater than 42. So greater than goes to the right. We'll switch the 41 to 42. We get a value of 0.004, which you can see even more digits when you click the drop-down.
Let's do that one more time. This time, if we randomly select one bag of mulch, what's the probability it weighs between 41 and 42 pounds?
The last calculation looks at the probability that the weight is between two values. So this time, we're looking for an inner probability. We have a minimum of 41 and a maximum of 42, which gives us a probability of 0.744.